really closed up nicely right there. Once again, all this is closed up much better after all the thunderstorms. I'd been pre-soaking the hole in anticipation of putting it on the water on Flag Day. That all that thunder showers has really helped close a lot of this up better. Especially that one in the front was huge, and it hadn't been closing up with the soaking. This one's gone way down. It looks like just normal sanding and varnishing will take care of a lot of that. It was just from the covering the heat and the delay of getting it in shade, but much of that's opened up much more. This was all new right in here. That was all new. That showed up, cracking all down through a lot of these areas. The crack runs all the way down, multiple cracks right here, a multiple crack right through there has closed up, but they're there. One nice one really right through the middle of that plank right there, and normal separation. I have this little piece inside, and I don't have the, well, you know, I do have the lighter handy. Hang on just a sec.